Good morning, class 9 student. In previous class, just we have completed Jainism. Now, just we will start the Buddhism and we will try to complete the Buddhism. So, just you take out your book and see the book. Topic is Buddhism. Now, we'll discuss about the Buddhism. It spread in the 6th century BC. Buddhism spread in 6th century BC. The founder of the Buddhism was Gautam Buddha. Founder of Buddhism, Gautam Buddha. So why the founder of the Buddhism? Gautam Buddha. And even also he just we will discuss about his life story. He was born in 563 BC. Born 563 BC. Gautam Buddha was born in 563 BC at Lumbini near Kapilvastu in Nepal. At Lumbini, Kapilvastu in Nepal. Lumbini near Kapilvastu in Nepal. So where was he born? In Nepal. Which year? 563 BC. Which place? Lumbini. Where is Lumbini? Near Kapilvastu. So this is the birth about what's called about the Gautam Buddha. Now we will discuss about his childhood, and his childhood name was Siddharth. Notes just I will send, so don't worry about the notes. His childhood name was Siddharth, and father name Siddharth. Childhood name Siddharth. Father name. His father name was Sudyodhana. And mother name Mahamaya. Mother Mahamaya. Father Sudyodhana. So and even also wife name Yasodhara. And son Rahul. Now, founder of the Buddhism who was Gautam Buddha, born in 563 BC. Childhood name was Siddharth. Birthplace is Lumbini near Kapilvastu in Nepal. Father name Sudyodhana. Mother name Mahamaya. Wife Yasodhara and son Rahul. Now, we will discuss why Gautam Buddha left his place and went to find out the truth, and what was the reason in the midway, just what he got. It is said that by the historians, when the Gautam Buddha was born and he was only 16 days or 18 days, he lost his mother, and his auntie Mahaprajapati Gaumati just look after at him and he grew up. Now, four sides, he was not, when he was born, astrologer came and astrologer has told about him in future he would be a great saint. So he would be a great saint. So his father would not allow to him just come out of the house, and in early age he got the marriage with the Yasodhara, and very soon just he got a son Rahul. When he got a son Rahul, then his father has allowed to him just go out of the palace, and when first day he went out his palace means mahal, then he saw some sights, and that is known as the four great sights. So we will discuss about the four great sights. By the help of that sight just he changed his life. Now first day when he came out from the house, then he saw a old man. What he saw? Old man. And old man, he asked to his chariot drivers, who is this fellow? What happened to him? His chariot driver has given the answer, my lord, he is an old man. Well, what do you mean by old man? Means you, when the day will come, you also would be old, and everybody becomes old in their life. It is the natural phenomena. So he started to think about himself. It means the day would come, I would be old, my son would be old, and my wife also would be old. Because he did not know about the society, he knew only three characters: himself, his wife, and his son. And second day, when he came out from the palace, then he saw a sick man. When he asked about that person, then even chariot driver has given, Chanan has given answer to him, my lord, he is sick person. So he started to think same conditions like previous. The day would come, I would be sick, my wife and my son also would be the sick. Third day, just when he came out from the house, then he saw a dead man. Dead man. When he asked to chariot driver, then his driver had given the answer, he is a dead person. Means the old man person become old, even also he became sick, can be sick, and the day would come, person will die. So he started to think about these three situations, and he decided to be a saint. Now fourth day, when he came out from his house, then he saw an ascetic. Ascetic means saint. Fourth day, he saw a saint. By the helping of the four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, great old man, sick man, dead man, and ascetic, he decided to quit his house and to find out the truth. So he left his fifth day, just he left his house at 12 o'clock night and went to find out the truth. Even also in the Hindi book it is written, when he left his house, then and his wife was with him, and when she woke up, then she saw Buddha was not there, and she started to cry, and in crying mood just she told, सिद्ध हेतु गए स्वामी बड़े हर्ष की बात, चुपके चुपके गए स्वामी यही बड़ा व्याघात. Means even also her wife was ready. If you went for the getting enlightenment, no problem, you could, but problem is that you should inform to me. Without informing her, just he had gone, that is why just he was crying. So just what we have studied, four great sides. So when he left his house, this incident is known as the Mahavishkarma or the great renunciations. Even also now getting the enlightenment, just we will discuss about the enlightenment. In the age of the 35 year, he got the enlightenment, means moksha. He got the enlightenments. Now we will discuss about Dharma Chakra Parivartana. When he got the knowledge or the jnana, then he started to give the message of the truth, and he started to spread the message of the Buddhism. So this incident is known as the Dharma Chakra Parivartana. Now we will discuss about the where he got the enlightenment. So in the Bodh Gaya, first he went to Rajgira, and in the Rajgir, just by the help of the teacher he study about the true things, and very soon just he went to Rajgir, and in the Rajgir just he got the enlightenment in moksha beside the Niranjana river under the people tree. That tree is known as the Bodhi tree. So remaining part we will complete in the next class. Thank you class.